At DoubleTake Auto Spa of Fremont, we take the time to educate our customers on the different options to protect their luxury vehicle to ensure they make the best decision. This is how this brand new 2018 Porsche Panamera 4 looked upon arrival. Since they were traveling a long way to us, we wanted to make sure they didn't get a rock chip while on the highway, so we asked them not to have the dealership remove the protective film. Most people think purchasing a brand new luxury vehicle is as good as it gets, and nothing is needed. This is far from the truth. As we carefully remove the protective film, we can clearly see imperfections in the paint. At DoubleTake Auto Spa of Fremont, we are perfectionists. We make sure your luxury vehicle is flawless prior to installing a clear bra or ceramic coating, as it's the prep work that's most important. 3M Clear Bra comes with a 10-year warranty when installed by certified installers like us at DoubleTake Auto Spa of Fremont, so our customer will not have to worry about getting those ugly rock chips on their luxury vehicle. Wow! Look at this shine! This 2018 Porsche Panamera 4 is ready for the road and fully protected. Look at the seamless flow from the clear bra to the ceramic coating. Simply beautiful. It's worth making the investment to protect your luxury vehicle. Then we protected the rest of their brand new 2018 Porsche Panamera 4 with Ceramic Pro Gold, lifetime protection, only the best for their luxury vehicle. They didn't stop with the exterior only. We protected their interior leather and carpets. They wanted to make sure their luxury vehicle was protected inside and out. When you drive the best, you should protect it with the best. It's a reason why our customers travel from all over just to get their luxury vehicles protected by DoubleTake Auto Spa. Give us a call. You'll be glad you did.